In front of me is TECNO Pop 8, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. You need to begin by accessing tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is blue, which means that location is enabled. To disable it, click on the same one. If you want to, you can also go into settings and scroll down to access location section over here. Then tap on this switcher next to it to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!